right, just wanted to start out here going over the first steps of our puzzle cube project. Before we can even create it in Onshape, we are going to create a front view with the right dimensions in our notebooks. So this is under the design specifications. We are taking the puzzle cubes, our puzzle pieces that were made of these wooden cubes, and kind of scaling them down so that each cube represents a half an inch as opposed to 3/4 of an inch that the real object is. So we're going to create little sketches here. So this is what we did in class. I'm just going to outline it now. We're going to take each of these puzzle cubes and create a drawing. So I'm going to do a Control-C to copy this. And I'm going to do that under here with dimensional drawings. It'll end up looking like what I have here, but this is how you'll do it. Go to Insert, Drawing, just add a new one. And then we're going to click in here and Control-V, paste the picture in, make it a little bigger. So now what we're going to do is create the front view. Remember, the front view has the most detail, the most shape, the contour of the shape of this. And so we are going to draw it out using squares because it's made with cubes. So I'm going to draw a kind of initial square here. And then what you can do is Control-C to copy it, Control-V to paste it, and just keep making. So this will be like for top cube here. Then we got one below it. And then we got two more attached to the sides. So we basically just Control-V, keep going until you paste out all the ones you need. And now we can start thinking about the dimensions of this. So I'm going to draw these dimension lines here down from the side. And we want to put the dimensions of what this is. So we have 1, 2, 3 of the cubes. They're each a half inch. This is the way we're designing it. And so that is 1.5 inches. This smaller so it doesn't take up so much space. There we go. Now what we're going to do is do dimension lines for here. So from here to here, this is 1 cube, so we know that that is. I'll take this and copy of it. That one's just going to be a half inch, so make that 0.5. And then we're going to do kind of a dimension going all the way to the top here. And so 2 cubes together. Extend this line out a little bit. Oop. So we know from here to here, that dimension, paste it, 1 inch, because a half and a half is 1. So if we want to make this look even a little better, we would take use kind of like lines usually connecting this. That's probably going to mess it up a bit. Arrow on that side. Draw a line out here. Put an arrow on that side. So that's how we do some dimensioning. Just connect with that. So I'll just leave that off for now. That's good for now. So that'll help us as we're sketching this out because we know the total distances here. So we're going to end up doing that for each of our parts. I do also want to label it the green L. So I'm going to go back in here, do text box. Come up with a name for each of these, so as we're talking about them, be a little clearer.